pussy one liner. You got murder someone else out the boy liner. You saw you come for like you wicked man for me dog. I don't know remember that done man style and this in the dog. Because you not doing the job as parents, you know. I be a man style and create, you know. You come like you don't love peace. You come like a war. Yeah, if I war the one, because I'm going to that bomba one, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, man, I'm picking up Philip Father dog. I'm not telling you, you know, you didn't make me start peace about it, you know. Man, you bust out to the yeah, dog, I'm trying to know that boy, yeah. But can't touch that thing, you know, boy, them come back like that. Yo, on the piece I want to run for the boy, yeah. Some of the bomba one, boy, yeah, you know. Yeah, dog. Every day someone comes stress me out to the boy, you know, to go on the man up, you know, dog. Yeah, me go up in the boy, you know. Yeah, man, tell that. Yeah, see some boy can jam you out, dog. Some boy can go like say, I'm a bigger killer for me, you know, dog. Murder you, the boy, you know. The boy, they don't kill us for me, you know, dog. Bomba clan, yeah, some people can go like say, I'm a done in the boy. Some boy, if you know them bomba clan, self in the dog. Some boy can go like them and kill us for me, dog. Some boy, if you left me and family alone, you know, dog. And someone that try easy, someone that try holding, dog. And someone that try jam you out, dog. Yo, somebody have to run left here, you know, dog. See somebody run with them in the boy, you know. I want to some pussy. I don't want somebody bomba clan. But it makes somebody can't live here, you know, dog. You saw some boy come go like them and don't wake me up for me, dog. Yeah, make you all world know this in my youth right now, but ready for that, you know. Some boy for the love man and their family in my youth. You feel some of rapping some pussy boy, yeah, somebody about the boy I'm gonna get. My dad ain't in the brother. Cause dirty walkless parents who don't know if to be a parent, you know. I grew up being a monster. Some of the dirty walkless parents. I want to cause the destruction of people life in my youth. Some of them don't know the bomba clot self in my youth. You feel some of them can't come around and come rape off none of my people, them dog. Some of them some pussy one, you know. How can I fuck you like care in my community? I see me some of the boy try out for me daughter, you know. Yeah, you saw me I try to raise my pitney them good dog. You think it's easy for raise pitney and them a place a dog. I be a dog and them dog around there, brother. I'm stressed on my pitney, them have to come out better than me. Yeah, I'm stressed on my pitney, them have to come out better than me. Me tired of fucker. Yo, I see me some man who try out for me daughter, you know. But I'm telling you this bomba wall in a dog. Yo, I'm telling you. Yo, when the life from boy, life. Check out the message, you know what me I say. Some man who feel leg off I fuckery. Some man who go, yo, you see how some man who people in this country who go have all sorts of blood clot negative things to say. When if you check out the message, you know what me I say. We tired of it. We tired of it. Jamaica have to get better. Jamaica have to get better. Jamaica have to get better. Hey, you hear me? This is the harsh reality what we are experiencing in Jamaica. And I'm telling you this, Jamaican people tired of it. I see all our people who go have all sorts of negative things to say. All you do is talk. You don't have all the great ideas, but you don't put it to action. You understand what I say? You understand what I say? The smallest deed is bigger than your biggest intention. And if you intend to make Jamaica a better place, you go do. You're not going to just attack, you go do. Do what's right. Nothing you can do better, but you don't go like say you don't want to do it. Nothing you go like you ignorant, and the whole of we have senses. The whole of we born with the ability to think, and we know right from wrong. So if you stop the foolishness, I'm telling you, this is my way to do my part. I make sure I get the message across. So everybody who have something negative to say, listen to what me I say, and pick a sense out of the nonsense. You understand? And stop from going like you know either. I'm telling you this straight up. Stop from going like you know a fool. It's only a minority. A handful of people are trying to make Jamaica look bad. And me know make them take what my country for me. Jamaica sweet. And if you can hear me for reduce crime and violence, we economy are going to grow. We GDP are going to grow. Only if you wise. Me not live in another country and go like me and not eat that. We don't call Jamaica a third world country, but I'm telling you this. If you feel that Jamaica is a third world country, me have a first world brain. So me I use my first world brain to make my third world country better. Like, subscribe, and share.